Hi everyone, in front of me I've got CUBOT R19 and let me share with you how to manage Google account on this device. So how to add the Google account or how to remove it. So first of all, we have to enter the settings, and now let's scroll down to the very bottom to find the account section. As you can see, of course, here we've got whole Google section, so you can add or remove a Google account using it, obviously, but I personally prefer to do it using accounts. So let me tap on it, and as you can see here, we've got our previously added Google account. So first of all, let's remove it. Let me show you how to remove account. As you can see, all you have to do is to simply tap on the account you'd like to remove and tap on remove account. Tap on remove account again. If you're sure, tap on OK. And if you've got a pattern or a pin, then your device will ask you to enter to confirm the whole step. And as you can see, we just got back to the accounts and we cannot see the account which we've just removed. So it means that we just successfully deleted it. So of course, we can add Google account using this section also. So let's tap on add account. Here we have to tap on Google. Make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required for this operation. And it doesn't really matter if you will be using the Wi-Fi or the mobile data, it's up to you. And from this step we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it. And as you can see, I've got it saved here, so let me tap on it and tap on next. Right now we have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Okay, let's tap on next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so of course you can read it, just tap on it, and here you've got all the info you need. Let's tap on I agree after reading. Here we've got the shortcut of backup and storage info, so simply tap on accept. And as you can see, we just successfully added our Google account to this device. So actually this is it. This is how to manage Google account in your CUBOT R19. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.